Welcome to Rationalising the Denominator Part 1. A reminder, we looked the other day at different forms of numbers, and we know that a rational number can be written in fraction form. So in this case, we're changing the denominator, which will have a third. We're going to change it from having a third to a whole number. Note, this does not eliminate the third completely, but multiplies it to the numerator. So here's some examples. Notice that each of these has a third on the denominator, meaning that this denominator is not rational. Now we saw when we did some multiplying, if we multiply the third by itself, then we end up with the square root of a perfect square, which then changes it to a whole number. And we need to keep in mind that when we work with fractions, whatever we do to the bottom, we need to do to the top. So we're going to rationalise 3 over the third 2, 3 over 2 third 3, and third 2 over third 5. So the first one. 3 over third 2. So to change the denominator to a rational, I'm going to times it by the third part itself. Because third 2 times third 2 is going to get me third 4, and we know that we can take the square root of 4. But remember, whatever I do to the bottom, I do to the top. So the top, I get 3 times third 2, which is 3 third 2. On the bottom, I get third 2 times third 2, which is third 4. And third 4 is equal to 2. So we end up with 3 third 2 over 2. Second example. So we had 3 over 2 third 3. Now to make this easier, I'm only trying to get rid of the third part. So if I multiply by the third 3, that'll take care of the third on the denominator. So we do to whatever we do to the bottom, we do to the top. So you're going to times the top by third 3 and the bottom by third 3. So on the top, 3 times third 3 is 3 third 3. On the bottom, 2 third 3 times third 3 is 2 third 9. That gets me 3 third 3 over 2 times, well, the square root of 9 is 3, so 2 3s are 6. And then I can simplify. 3 into 3 goes once, and 3 into 6 goes twice. So I get third 3 over 2. Final one, third 2 over third 5. So I'm going to try and, my aim is to rationalise the denominator, so I times the top and bottom by third 5. Doing it to the top, third 2 times third 5 is third 10. On the bottom, third 5 times third 5 is third 25, which is 5. So I get third 10 over 5. Thank you.